What?
Okay.
Ain't numbers on there that they gotta have? Is there numbers or something?
No, Deborah. Ducky ducks.
You got no papers or anything?
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
Hey.
What's this water here? Your water?
No, it's gonna be for the ducks.
They can't drink out of this big old thing. Case. They can't drink out of that big glass.
We have to feed them.
There's a plastic thing in there. And the flat ones.
Oh, Ducky duck.
Let me see what you're talking about.
Max, no!
Max, it's
Stop
okay.
being mean to me, okay?
Shut the fuck up, Deborah.
He knows what they are.
Okay, Ducky duck.
Is it hard or soft? Break his toe, TJ. Leave him alone or something.
Max.
Need the water, hurry.
You want the little tub for him
No.
to drink with?
Okay.
Don't drink out of our glass, TJ.
Okay.
I'll get the little cup thing they
Come
can.
on. There you go. See, you're drinking. Come on. Keep going, keep going. There you go. Go on. You can do it again. Go on.
Got this.